Hello, fellow UO addict. This video is how to use VS Code as your main editor when changing Razor Enhanced scripts. I am following a guide on the Razor Enhanced website. This is just the visual steps for the Razor Enhanced autocomplete for Visual Studio Code. This is based on an article by Yes. What you want to do is you want to install Visual Studio Code over here, code.visualstudio.com. Download that bad boy. Once you install it, you want to take this marketplace Python package. You can click install there, and that will basically, hey, bring it up, open Visual Studio Code. We happen to have this already, so it's already installed. Next step is we need to add the IronPython typings. We need to take this guy's GitHub repo and either clone it or just download a zip for it. If you're familiar with GitHub, you can just clone the repo, but if you're not, click this little code button here, and then we're going to say download zip. You are recording this, right, Jace? Yes. Yes, I am. Okay, now that we downloaded the IronPython stub, we're going to actually extract this, and you could put this file anywhere. It's basically going to be a folder of goodies. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in my C games folder. These files are going to actually be used by the Visual Studio Code, and it's related to IronPython. IronPython is what Razor Enhanced is written in. So we need the autocomplete for IronPython to know how to complete the syntax of Razor Enhanced. When I put this in my C games folder, it's actually going to make a new folder, IronPython stubs master. So now I just have this C games folder right here. Okay, so now that that's installed, we have this C games IronPython stubs master. So we're going to control C that, copy that, because we want this path. Wherever you install it, you'll want that path. And if we follow the instructions here, what we're going to do is we're going to go into Visual Studio, edit our preferences for the Python autocomplete, and add in this path name. Okay, so what we go over to our Visual Studio Code, go File, Preference, Settings. What we want to do is we want to search for python.autocomplete.extra path. We're going to search for python.autocomplete.extra. Okay, and that's looking at the extension for Python here. And we're going to click Edit in JSON Settings. And what this did is it basically created a new array here. And what we want to do is paste in where we put that data. It's C games IronPython. But since we have slashes, we need to double them up. Save that. Okay, so now that we have the extra paths pointing to IronPython, we're going to go back to our settings. Make sure you clear that out. We're actually going to look for python.analysis.extra paths. There's an add item. And what we want to do is we want to add our Razor Enhanced config file. So for me, I'm on Unchained. And so we want to do this file right here, the config file of Razor Enhanced, which happens to be in my data plugins folder. So again, if you're not playing on Unchained, you might have this installed somewhere else, but you're going to go to the Razor Enhanced folder and get the config. I'm going to copy paste this whole string here, paste that in, and click OK. And Control S to save, close that down. We can look at our settings, and it looks like it just added it right there. So we could have edited it either way. I'm trying to figure this out together. But anyway, so this is the extra path here for the analysis, which is fantastic. It wants us to restart Visual Studio Code. So we're going to close all these down. Okay, and now this is working. So this is what we wanted to see. We wanted to make sure that it was working. Fantastic. If I look at my script that I've already made, it's almost working. Missing player. In each of your scripts you want to edit in Visual Studio Code, add the import this. Okay, yeah. All right, you might say, Jace, how do we get to this folder here? You actually file, open folder, and you're going to go to your games, wherever you have Razor Enhanced scripts. But for me, it's games, Unchained, data, plugins, Razor Enhanced, and then there's a script folder. We'll select that folder. That's how we get here. On Razor Enhanced, I do have this Jace first testing script, and it is 1 on my keyboard. So if I hit 1, you summon a creature. If I hit 1 again, it's going to stop. Let's go ahead and make a change from Visual Studio Code and see if it picks up. Miscellaneous dot overhead. No, it's player dot message overhead. Head message 89. Hello. It kind of knew what I wanted to do. I'm going to hit save here. And I'm going to hit 1. Did it not pick it up? If we make a change to these scripts, how do I reload them? Okay, 30 minutes later, auto script reload button. That will now flow from an edit, LOL. 1. Flow from an edit, LOL. Let's see what happens while it's running if we make an edit. Whoa, cool. So it runs the script if we edit there. Okay, great. Okay, we'll still need to figure out how we can actually get the editor to just pop up with Visual Studio Code here, but this should at least get us in the right spot. So just to review, in order for your autocomplete to work, you need to add the statement from autocomplete import star, and that lets the Razor script know, hey, this is Razor enhanced. The other thing is, if you want to pick up your changes automatically inside of the Razor script tab, make sure you click that auto script reload button. Otherwise, your changes won't get picked up. If you do want to play the script from here, downloading that Razor enhanced extension would help you do that. Anyway, hopefully this video was helpful. Shout out to the Razor Enhanced team. It's a pretty cool product. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.